Hello students, in this video lecture we'll solve a problems on determinants. Prove that determinant of a plus b plus 2c, a, b, c, b plus c plus 2a, b, c, a plus c plus 2b is equal to 2 into a plus b plus c the whole cube. Given the determinant a plus b plus 2c a b c b plus c plus 2a b c a plus c plus 2b. So first column is replaced with c1 plus c2 plus c3, which gives us determinant of a plus b plus 2c plus a plus b. So which will add up to 2a plus 2b plus 2c. Similarly, c plus b plus c plus 2a plus b will give 2a plus 2b plus 2c. C plus a plus a plus c plus 2b gives 2a plus 2b plus 2c. The second columns remain same, which is a, b plus c plus 2a, a. Third column is b, a plus c plus 2b. Next, we'll take the common term outside for the first column, which is 2a plus 2b plus 2c, which is 2 into a plus b plus c is the common term. Determinant of 1 a b, 1 b plus c plus 2a b, 1 a plus c plus 2b. Next, we'll write the second row as second row minus the first row. Similarly, third row is equal to third row minus the first row, which will give us 2 into a plus b plus c into determinant of 1 a b. So 1 minus 1 will be 0. B plus c plus 2a minus a will be a plus b plus c. B minus b will be 0. 1 minus 1 will be 0. A minus a will be equal to 0. A plus c plus 2b minus b will be a plus b plus c. Next, we'll try to write the determinant of this, which is 2 into a plus b plus c into determinant. So 1 into a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. This is minus, so this is positive, this is minus, and this will be positive. So minus a into 0 into this will be equal to 0 minus 0. So this is a into 0. Next is plus b into 0 into this, 0 into this. So which will be equal to 0. So we are going to get 2 into a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c, which is equal to 2 into a plus b plus c the whole cube. Hence the given problem is proved. Next problem, prove that determinant of a square plus 1, ab, ac, ab, b square plus 1, bc, ac, bc, c square plus 1 is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. By using the scalar multiple property, we can write the first column C1 is A into C1, second column is B into C2, and C3 is C into C3. So we'll try to multiply the first column with A. So we'll get A into A square plus 1 a square b a square c. But we need to get the same matrix, so we are going to write 1 by a. Second column we are going to multiply it with b, so it is a into b square, b into b square plus 1 b square into c. So since we have multiplied, we are going to divide it with b. Next, third column is c into c3. So a into c square, b into c square, c into c square plus 1. So it is divided by c. Next, we'll try to take the common term outside for each row. So first row A is common, second row B is column, third row C is column. So we can write it as A into B into C divided by A into B into C. The first row we have taken A outside, so we'll get it as A square plus 1. Second element will be B square. Third will be c square. Similarly, the next row will be b is common, so we'll get a square, b square plus 1 c square. The third row c is common, so we'll get a square, b square and c square plus 1. So now this ABC is going to cancel. So we'll write second row is equal to second row minus first row. Third row is third row minus the first row. So we are going to get a matrix which will have a square plus 1, b square, c square. So a square minus a square plus 1, which will be minus 1, b square plus 1 minus b square, which will be equal to 1, c square minus c square will be equal to 0. Next, a square minus this term will be again minus 1, b square minus b square will be equal to 0, c square plus 1 minus c square will be equal to 1. Now we'll write the determinant of this. So a square plus 1 into a matrix which is 1 0 0 1. The next element is b square, but it should be alternative signs. So this determinant value will have positive, this will be minus and this will be plus. So it is minus b square into the matrix will be minus 1 0 minus 1 1. The next element is plus c square into minus 1 1 minus 1 0. So if you try to multiply this, we are going to get a square plus 1 into 1 minus b square into 1 into 1, which is minus 1. This minus 1 into 0 will be equal to 0 plus c square into minus 1 into 0 will be equal to 0 minus 1 into minus 1, so it is equal to plus 1. So we'll try to simplify this. You are going to get a square plus 1 minus b square into minus 1, so it is equal to plus b square plus c square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 1. Hence it is equal to the right hand side of the equation, hence proved. Find the determinant of 1 minus 1 minus 3 0 0 1 5 4 minus 1 2 8 5 3 minus 1 minus 2 and 3. So let us take this as A. Okay, so we are supposed to find the determinant of A, whose solution will be given as A11 C11 plus A12 C12 plus A13 C13 plus A14 C14. So C11 are the respective determinant matrix. We'll write it as, so first element is going to have positive symbol, minus, plus and minus. So A11 is this particular term, so which is equal to 1 into, we are going to eliminate this column and this column, and we are going to write C11 as 1, 5, 4, 2, 8, 5, minus 1, minus 2 and 3, plus A12 is this element in the determinant matrix and the symbol is given as minus. So it is minus of 1 into minus 1, determinant of, we are going to eliminate this column and this column, and we are going to write the remaining element as 0, 5, 4, minus 1, 8, 5, 3, minus 2, 3. The next element will be plus, and A13 is minus 3, so minus 3 into determinant of, now we are going to eliminate this and this, and we are going to write the element as 0, 1, 4, minus 1, 2, 5, 3, minus 1 and 3, minus symbol minus, and A14 will be 0, so 0 into determinant of, we are going to eliminate this and this, and we are going to write the determinant of 0, 1, 5, minus 1, 2, 8, 3, minus 1, minus 2. So now we are going to find the determinant of each value, that is C11, C13, C14 separately. So first we'll write C11 is nothing but 1, 5, 4, 2, 8, 5, minus 1, minus 2, 3. So this determinant is nothing but 1 into a matrix 8, 5, minus 2, 3, minus 5 into 2, 5, minus 1, 3, plus 4 into 2, 8, minus 1, minus 2. So which will give 1 into 8 threes are 24, minus of minus, plus 10, minus 5 into 2 threes are 6, minus this value. So minus, again you have one more minus, so it is plus 5, plus 4 into 2 twos are 4, and it is minus 1 into 8, and it should be plus 8. So it is going to give a value 34 minus 55 plus 4 into 4, 16. So which gives C11 equal to, C11 will be equal to minus 5. C12 is given by the determinant 0, 5, 4, minus 1, 8, 5, 3, minus 2 and 3. So it is equal to 0 into something will be equal to 0, minus 5 into 3 into 1 is 3, and it is minus 5 into 3, 15, plus 4 into 1 into 1 is 2, so it is minus into minus, plus, so 2 into 2 minus 8 threes are 24. So it is equal to 5 into 18 minus 4 into 22. So it is equal to 90 minus 88, which will be equal to 2. Similarly, C13 will be equal to 0, 1, 4, minus 1, 2, 5, 3, minus 1, 3. So it is equal to 0 into something will be equal to 0 minus 1 into 1 into 3 and it is minus, so minus 3 minus 15 plus 4 into 1 into 1 is 1, 3 twos are 6 and it is minus. So it is equal to 1 into 18 and it is positive. So 18 plus 4 into minus 5. So 18 minus 20 which is equal to minus 2. So next is C14. For C14 we know that it is 0 into the determinant which will give 0. Therefore we can write determinant of A is A11 C11 plus A12 C12 plus A13 C13 plus A14 C14. We'll substitute the value in the respective this. So we are going to get A11 is 1, C11 is minus 5 plus A12 is 1 and C12 is 2 plus A13 is 3 and it is minus, so minus 3 into C13 is minus 2, so and the next term will be 0, so it is minus 5 plus 2 plus 6, so it is equal to 3. Therefore the determinant of given problem is equal to 3. Few conditions for invertible matrix are as follows. Let A be a n cross n matrix, then A is said to be invertible if first condition, determinant of A should not be equal to 0. Second, columns of A are linearly independent. 3. Columns of A span Rn. Fourth condition, columns of A are the basis in Rn. Fifth, rows of A are linearly independent. Sixth, rows of A span Rn. 7. Rows of A are the basis in Rn. Eighth condition, reduced row echelon form A has a leading one in each row. Use determinants to decide if the set of vectors is linearly dependent. Vectors are 7, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, 5, 7, 7, 0, minus 5. Therefore, we can write the determinant as determinant of A will be equal to 7 minus 4 minus 6 minus 8 5 7 7 0 minus 5. Now if the determinant is equal to 0, then it is linearly dependent. If A is not equal to 0, then they are linearly independent. So we'll find the determinant of this given matrix A. So determinant of A is equal to 7 into 5 5s are 25. So minus 25 minus 0 minus of minus 8 into 4 5s are 20. 6 into 0 is equal to 0 plus 7 into 4 7s are 28 plus 6 5s are 30. So it is equal to 7 into minus 25 plus 8 into 20 plus 7 into 2. So it is equal to minus 175 plus 160 plus 14. So which is equal to minus 1, and it is not equal to 0. Therefore, the given vectors are linearly independent. Does the following set of vectors span R4? 1 1 0 0, 1 2 minus 1 1, 2 1 2 minus 1, 0 0 1 1. So we'll write it in determinant form. So A will be equal to determinant of 1 1 0 0, 1 2 minus 1 1, 2 1 2 minus 1, 0 0 1 1. So it is equal to, solution is given as A11 C11 plus A12 C12 plus A13 C13 plus A14 C14. So it is equal to, it is plus minus plus minus. So it is 1 into determinant of 2 1 0 minus 1 2 1 1 minus 1 1 plus A12, which is minus 1 into determinant of 1 1 0 0 2 1 0 minus 1 1 plus A13, which is 2 into determinant of 1 2 0 0 minus 1 1 0 1 1 minus 0 into determinant of 1 2 1 0 minus 1 2 0 1 minus 1. So this whole term will be equal to 0. So we'll first find the determinant of C11, which is given as 2 1 0 minus 1 2 1 1 minus 1 1. So it is equal to 2 into 2 1s are 2 plus 1 minus 1 into 1 is 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 0. So it is equal to 2 into 3 minus 1 into minus 2, which is equal to 6 plus 2, which is equal to 8. Similarly, C12 will be equal to 1 1 0 0 2 1 0 minus 1 1, which will be equal to 1 into 2 plus 1 minus 1 into 0 minus 0 plus 0. So it is equal to 3. Next, C13 will be equal to determinant of 1 2 0 0 minus 1 1 0 1 1, which is equal to 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 into 0 minus 0 plus 0. So it is equal to minus 2. Therefore, determinant of A will be equal to 1 into C11, which is equal to 8, minus 1 into C12, which is 3, plus 2 into C13, which is equal to minus 2. So it is equal to 8 minus 3 minus 4, which is equal to 1. So therefore determinant of A is not equal to 0, hence they are linearly independent and hence the given vectors span in R to the power of 4. Thank you, students.